5th grade. Our grammar skill this week is going to be a really easy one because it's kind of a review. These are things that we've talked about this year, and it was just kind of a good way to wrap up our year talking about some big important things that I think it's really important that you know, and just do a little bit of a review. So this week we are going to be focusing on the different forms of their, its, and your. So I'm going to do a really quick video here just to remind you about the meaning of the different forms, and then we'll do a couple different activities this week. If you come to Hangouts, we'll do a couple activities, and you will have a little Google Forms quiz probably Wednesday or Thursday of this week. So be looking for that. I'm going to review the theirs real fast. You'll remember there are 3 different kinds of theirs. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so that you can see it. We have there, and there. This there is talking about location. So if I say that something is over there, or there is my book, I'm using this form of there. It's talking about location. It can be an adverb or an adjective. This there, T-H-E-I-R, is a possessive pronoun. We talked a lot about possessives this year, so it's showing ownership. That is their dog. This there is a contraction. It's 2 words put together. I have the words they and are, and they become the word there when we put them together with it in a contraction. So I can always tell whether or not my sentence is using this type of there because I can always substitute the there with they are. And if it makes sense with they are, then you're using the contraction there. That's your theirs. Now I'm going to talk about your its. There's 2 different kinds of its that we're going to talk about this week. This its is possessive. It's a possessive pronoun. The dog ate its food. It belongs to the dog. Possessive pronoun. This its is a contraction. I have the words it and is put together, and we get the word its. Again, it's really easy to tell which one, because if I can substitute the words it is into the sentence, then we're talking about the contraction. It needs to have the apostrophe. All right, and the last one is your. Whoop. This your, again, is a possessive pronoun. It's showing ownership. This is your book. This is your dog, showing ownership. This your is a contraction. You are. If I can substitute the words you and are into the sentence, this is the your that I'm using. Hopefully this was just a review for you. Hopefully you're like, oh yeah, I totally got that. If not, maybe join the Hangout this week because we will be working on this skill. I think it's important that you guys know this. So hop on, join us. We'll talk a little bit more about it. Thanks, guys.